when you're all in and the kids are napping, just like Santa, you bring little presents. And Totoro, our story that we're reading in chapters every day before nap in our preschool, Totoro gave a little present to Satsuki and May. And now I told the kids, if you are a really good napper, you can get a present from Totoro. So they all fell asleep very quickly, and now they're going to get the special, drops of peppermint magical oil on their little package, just like Totoro. When you're all in, preschool is like that.